Today I'm going to show you some mini greenhouses that I have made with plastic jugs. So I use milk jugs like the ones I have out there that I'll show you in a minute. This is a vinegar jug. You can use apple cider jugs. Basically what you do is you cut out the bottom, grab some scissors, poke through, cut the bottom of the jug out so that it can rest flat against the ground with the plant in the center. Take a stick like this and you're going to poke it through the hole and drive it into the ground, anchoring it to the ground so that the wind doesn't blow it away. It'll hold it in place and still protect the plant. And I just planted one of the cabbage plants and I'm going to go and cover it with this, and just to show you as an example how it works.
There is the little cabbage. I'm going to cover it with the jug.
I'm going to grab my stick and go inside. Be careful not to pierce the plant. Drive that down there firmly so it doesn't allow it to blow away. This anchors it pretty well. So again, if it's hot and sunny, what you can do is just lift the jug off and expose your little plant. But a cloudy day like today, you can see the poor lighting in this video because it's really cloudy. There's really no sun coming through, so it's actually a perfect day to keep these covered all day. So I'm going to put the jug back down. It'll provide some warmth. The light that is here will radiate in here and build up a little bit of heat. It is expected to get cooler tonight, so I will leave this on overnight, and tomorrow if it's sunny I'll take it off. If it's not, I'll leave it on. So there are your milk jug or plastic jug greenhouses.